Hello everyone, welcome back to Keith's Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making something that is near and dear to my heart because it's breakfast. And pretty much anything breakfast related is near and dear to my heart if you haven't found out by now. Any combination of bacon, eggs, cheese, potatoes, it's near and dear to my heart. So, we're going to be making egg cups. What are egg cups, you ask? Well, glad you asked. They are eggs you put in here. And this is a non-stick muffin tin. I'm going to grease the inside just for an extra layer of security. And we're going to make two different kinds today. We're going to make one with bacon, kind of make like a bacon bowl to put in the bottom there. And then we're going to put an egg and cheese and whatever. And then the other half, we're going to do veggie ones. So it's not it's not vegan. It is vegetarian because I found out that eggs are vegetarian. The more you know. So it will be sauteed peppers and onions and garlic with cheese and kind of a scrambled egg in there instead. So come along with me as we go on this journey of egg cups. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grab your bacon because we're going to make some bacon bowls. To make your bacon bowls, grab a slice of bacon and use it to line the inside of one of the muffin cups in your pre-greased non-stick muffin tin. Once it starts to overlap, take some kitchen shears, cut the excess, and use it to line the bottom of the bowl. Repeat that 5 more times, and then we'll get started on the veggies. While we're waiting for the oven to preheat, we're going to start working on our vegetables. So grab a non-stick skillet and add about a tablespoon of olive oil or any other frying oil you've got, and turn the heat on to medium. Now for this recipe, I used 1 whole diced bell pepper and 1 whole diced yellow onion, but you could use any vegetables you want. You could use mushrooms, other things. I guess mushrooms aren't vegetables, they're fungi, but you know, you get what I mean. Once the oven is preheated, we're going to put the bacon bowls right in there for about 5 to 7 minutes, just to start them cooking while we work on the rest. So off camera, I cracked 6 eggs into a bowl, and I realized that I forgot to buy heavy cream. So I'm going to use some whole fat Greek yogurt, and I'm going to eyeball about a tablespoon. If you were going to do this with heavy cream, which I recommend, I would use about a 1/4 cup. You're going to add it right to your bowl and whisk it together till smooth, and then set it to the side. So my vegetables are about done, but I want to add a little bit more flavor. So one thing I really like to do is add a splash of soy sauce. This helps to get any of the vegetables that are stuck to the bottom of the pan right off, and it also adds a lot of flavor without having to season other than just that splash of soy sauce. Obviously, if you don't like soy sauce, don't do this, but I do, so I did. Once the timer goes off, pull your bacon bowls out, take a peek, make sure everything looks good. And now we're going to start putting our breakfast egg cups together. You can do this in whatever order you like, but I started with the vegetables on the left-hand side. I added an eyeballed amount. I just kind of scooped some in until I was happy. But you can put as little or as much as you'd like. Next, I grabbed some cheddar cheese and added it to the bacon bowls. And we're going to add eggs next. Grab your beaten eggs and a ladle. A ladle really makes it a lot easier. And fill your veggie cups with egg and evenly distribute it so that you get all the egg in each of the 6 cups. And then top them with some more shredded cheddar cheese.
Now it's time to use the other 6 eggs. Take a whole egg and crack it right in to one of the bacon bowls. And we're going to do this for each of the bacon bowls, and you don't have to beat the eggs or anything, they're just going to bake right in the oven as is. Once you've added all the eggs, put the pan in the oven at that 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the eggs are done to your liking. After 20-ish minutes, pull those egg cups out of the oven and they're basically done. This is a handy trick I found. While the muffins are still warm, you're going to use that silicone spatula to loosen their hold on the pan, and that way you don't leave behind any of your bacon or your egg when it comes time to pull them out. And that's it. You're ready to eat.
The egg cups are finished. Here is a nice close-up shot of the end product. Be careful not to drop them on the ground. That would be sad. You can see the egg is done to my liking here, and this one's nice and fluffy. So we're going to give both of them a try. So here, I'm actually going to get a cross-section of, oh, that did not work. There we go. Of the egg and cheese, and we'll give that one, or the egg, cheese, and veggie one, and we'll give that a taste right now. Ooh. It's awesome. It's really, really good. The inside is nice and fluffy. Part of that is because of the way that it was cooked. It was baked, so there was heat all around it instead of just underneath, and that really helps with making sure everything puffs up. But also, there was water in the veggies, and that water was released in the form of steam, and that steam puffed up the egg and kind of steamed it while it baked. And it gives it a really nice fluffy texture on the inside, and then kind of a nice crispy texture on the outside because that was the part in contact with the pan. So I think it's great. Now, the bacon one is the one that I'm most excited for. So I'm gonna cut this in half as best I can with my fork, and I will show you a cross section. And it's not the prettiest looking cross section, but it's cooked all the way through, which is awesome. So let's see if I can get it again with a fork. It's not as easy as I'd like it to be. All right, let's give it a try. The bacon, egg, and cheese cup. That is the best thing that I've eaten in a while. It's really good. I don't have any, but I really want a nice English muffin, a nice toasted English muffin, and just slap that right on the English muffin, maybe with an extra slice of American cheese or something right on top, and man, you would be good to go. Everything is great. The bacon's not overcooked. If you like really crispy bacon, this may not be the best recipe for you because the inside doesn't get super duper crispy, but the taste is good. Everything's cooked really well, and really easy to do. And you can actually take these and keep them in the fridge in an airtight container, and you can make multiple batches of these and just pop them in the microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds in the morning. And like I said, if you got an English muffin, you can make a little sandwich out of them, and they're really, really easy to do. And yeah, so I hope you like them. I'm gonna go and finish these, and I will see you next week with another video. See ya.